In this video, we'll be going over two of the most important administrator reports: report cards and progress reports. From the GradeLink dashboard, select the Administrator Reports tab. GradeLink offers a variety of report card templates, and during your school's implementation process, you work directly with our staff to select the appropriate templates for your school and tailor them to fit your specific needs. Each template has its own button in the Administrator Reports tab, and selecting any of them will take you to the report card generation page. Generating a report card takes 3 steps. First, select academic terms. Second, select display mode and students. And third, select a report card profile. Let's look at the process in more detail. Report cards are intended to display a portion of a student's academic history. Therefore, the first step in generating a report card is to select the terms you would like to include on the report. Generally speaking, GradeLink report cards are designed to display between 1 and 6 academic terms. Any more than that, and information becomes difficult to format properly. Display mode determines which students and classes are available. Preview mode is an unofficial version of the report card that makes all students and classes in the active term available, while normal mode restricts the selection to only students and classes that have been concluded. Once you've selected a display mode, you can then use the individual, class, and grade level filters to select students. Administrators should note that you can generate report cards for as few or as many students as you'd like. Now that you've selected your terms and students, it's time to select a report card profile and configure any additional settings. Unlike the template, which determined the structure of a report card, the report profile controls aspects of its appearance. Report card profiles are created for you during the implementation process, but if you'd like to learn how to create one for yourself, or if you'd just like some changes made to an existing profile, please contact your account representative. After selecting a profile, don't forget to make sure that the report title field shows the title you'd like to appear at the top of the report card. The Report Card Options menu includes several common options schools use when generating their report cards. For example, administrators can toggle the visibility of the credit count for each class, the grade scale legend, and even percentage grades in addition to letter grades. Hitting Submit generates the report card directly in your browser, but if you'd like to download your report cards, hit Save to PDF to export your report card as a PDF file. There is one final setting administrators should be aware of. While report cards can be published online, that doesn't mean they're automatically available to parents. You can tell if online report cards are available by checking the status text at the bottom of the page, and we'll go over how to enable online report cards in more detail in our video on GradeLink settings. The next administrator report we'll look at is the progress report. Unlike report cards, progress reports are specifically designed to display unconcluded classes and are limited to individual terms. To generate a progress report, first you'll need to select the term you'd like to run the report for. Then, you'll need to decide which student or students you'd like to include. Checking the box Individual Report allows you to generate a progress report for a single student. Run by Class allows you to generate a progress report for every student in a particular class, and Grade Level allows you to generate a report for every student in a particular grade level. Below, you'll see a handful of options that control what kind of information will be included on the report. Select typical options will automatically enable popular choices such as Show Percentage Grades, Show Grade Scale, School Attendance, and a Parent-Teacher Signature line, but feel free to activate or deactivate settings based on your school's unique needs. Administrators should note that by default, custom classes do not appear on progress reports. Schools that make use of custom classes will need to manually enable them by using the Show Custom Classes setting. As with report cards, the Report Profile menu at the bottom of the page will allow you to select from available profiles that control the appearance of the progress report, but profile editing falls outside of the scope of this series. That wraps up our discussion on administrator reports. Join us for our next video where we go over transcripts.